Folks, if you have been watching my channel for a while, you know I am all about finding gadgets that make life easier and boost productivity. I mean, who doesn't love a cool device that actually helps us get things done? Well, BENQ LaptopBar is one such device. I'm Daniel, and on this channel, I test gadgets and devices to give you a clear picture of what they are really like before you buy. Today, I am going to review BENQ LaptopBar, a light that easily outshines traditional lamps. Here are some things I am going to cover in this video: packaging and design, main features, setup and installation, user experience, and of course I will tell you about the things I like and if you should buy it. And guys, before we dive into this one, all the useful links and exclusive discounts are waiting for you in the description below. Let's go! Alright guys, so before I get to unbox this gadget, let me say just a couple of words about it. What is BENQ LaptopBar? This is a premium dual-form light designed specifically for laptops, and it comes with some fantastic features. At BENQ, they have been really focused on tracking lighting issues for screen reading, and it's no secret that a lot of laptop users are dealing with similar problems. As a result, mates, this isn't just any ordinary laptop light. There has been a lot of effort put into making sure it addresses all the common lighting challenges you face while using your laptop. Whether you are working late at night, on a video call, or just need better lighting to reduce eye strain, the BENQ LaptopBar has got you covered. Alright friends, now let's open the box and see what's inside. By the way, this product comes in a paper-based package, which means it's helping to minimize environmental pollution and contributes to a more sustainable future. And I like that. Here is what you will find in the eco-friendly packaging: magnetic lamp body with a foldable arm, lamp head, 2 adhesive magnet patches, microfiber cloth for keeping your gear clean, quick start manual, USB-C to USB-C cable for charging. And I love this handy storage bag to keep everything together. So as you can see folks, the LaptopBar comes with everything you need to set it up and keep it in top shape. As soon as you unbox the LaptopBar, you will notice its solid construction. This thing is mostly made of metal, with a smooth matte finish that not only looks sleek, but also feels sturdy and durable in your hands. I can tell you right off the bat, the build quality of the LaptopBar is top-notch, and it definitely gives off that premium vibe. With its sturdy and stylish design, you can trust that this gadget is built to last and enhance your laptop experience for a long time to come. The lamp base connects to your device using magnets, and even the lamp's parts link together with magnetic magic. Okay, now we have the question: but what if your laptop or monitor isn't magnetic friendly? Don't worry, BENQ thought of that too. They've included 2 magnetic patches, one black and one silver, in the box, so you can make any non-magnetic surface compatible with the LaptopBar. Setting up the LaptopBar is as easy as it gets, folks. All you have to do is follow these simple steps. Stick the adhesive magnet patch to your laptop. You can pick the color that matches your device best. Attach the lamp body to the magnet patch on your laptop. It's got handy grooves that make it really easy to adjust the height. Snap the lamp head onto the lamp body. That's right, it's magnets again. Now just wave your hand about 2 centimeters above the lamp. And done! It's on and ready to light up your workspace. Next mates, the LaptopBar's light can be adjusted in several ways. Tilt the light bar to focus the light exactly where you want it. If you are using the arm, you can raise or lower it to find that perfect height. The further away the light is, the softer and more spread out the light will be. Now for the cool part: controlling the light itself. The LaptopBar has built-in sensors and controls to help you adjust the brightness and color temperature with ease. Tap the button on the front of the light to bring up a slider for color temperature adjustments. You can choose from a warm to a cool daylight, like 5700 Kelvin, with 7 steps in between. Tap the button again to access the brightness slider. Guys, once you have set your ideal brightness level, the LaptopBar's top-mounted sensor will make it consistent throughout the day. And when you want to turn your light on or off, just wave your hand above the sensor. No need to touch the light at all. Now let's talk about the main features and what it's like when in use. Guys, before we continue, if you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated on all my future unboxings and reviews. Alright mates, I've been using this laptop bar for a while now, and I have something to say about it. According to BENQ, this little lamp can handle 20,000 on-off cycles, 20,000 lamp-hour expansion and folding, temperatures between -20 to 60 degrees Celsius, humidity levels from 0 to 90%, and drops from up to 120 centimeters. So you don't have to worry about the lamp falling off accidentally, but when you do need to remove it, it comes off without any problems. And mates, there are some awesome features that make the laptop bar stand out from the crowd. First, its dual-form design. The laptop bar is a total game changer with its foldable arm. You can adjust the height and fold or expand it as needed. Plus, it has both a main light and an ambient light to fully illuminate your workspace and reduce eye strain from the bright laptop screen. It's also super portable. The laptop bar is lightweight. Actually, it weighs less than an iPhone 14. Folks, its magnetic structure and rechargeable battery make it not just a handy light source, but a sleek portable work of art. It has some smart tech. This clever device remembers your preferred lighting settings and automatically adjusts based on your surroundings and personal preference. Finally, friends, its magnetic attachment. With the included magnet patch, the laptop bar provides a 3D surrounding light effect without blocking your laptop screen or causing any damage. Guys, do you know what can make or break your focus when you are trying to be productive? Lighting. Bad lighting can really throw you off your game, while great lighting can help you concentrate better. That's where the BENQ Laptop Bar comes in. It lets you control your remote workspace lighting to create the perfect environment for getting stuff done. For folks like me who value a well-lit workspace, the laptop bar's features are priceless. But guys, if you are someone who is totally content with your laptop's backlit keyboard and display, that's cool too. However, if you are in the first group, the laptop bar could seriously change the way you work on the go, turning your portable setup into a productivity powerhouse. Remember to check the links in the description for additional information and discounts. If you found this review helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching and see you next time.